Hi everyone, welcome here at Emergence 2025 Investment Conference. We're here at Four Seasons Hotel in Sydney, and joining me here today is Steven Chu, co-founder and CEO of INP Capital. He was also a panelist earlier at the Venture Capital and Later Stage Investment Trends. Good afternoon, Steven. Welcome.
Hi. Yeah, thank you for having me.
Okay, so INP Capital has a unique global footprint with teams across Canada, Australia, China, and Singapore. How does this international presence give you an edge in identifying investment opportunities, particularly in the tech sector?
Yeah, I think that's a great question. By having an international footprint, really allow us to spot emerging trends before they go mainstream. For example, like a cutting edge AI innovation that come from US or more, like North America, but often faster commercialization happens in Asia. So our ability to connect those two markets, which gives our portfolio companies a major advantage on the growth, and also this benefit from a broader deal flow as well. So we kind of take the best of the both worlds and take the innovation from North America and then to kind of leveraging our commercialization in Asia, which just provides more opportunities and the growth. And this global, local approach is key to our success.
Okay, interesting insight. But how about let's talk about the startup ecosystems. So, with your experience in North American and Asia Pacific markets, what differences do you see in startup ecosystems across these regions, and how does this influence your investment approach?
Yeah, I think North America, they have a more mature, deep tech and venture R&D ecosystem, especially US, kind of leading, the cutting edge technology, and the investors are more willingly to back the long-term R&D investment compared to Asia. That's more about the speed, the commercialization, how you can quickly grow revenue and market traction. So the capital more focus on your market traction and revenue growth. And Australia actually sit in the middle. So they have incredible innovation ecosystem, but they're kind of for later stage of growth capital a little bit lacking, the development of the technology. So lots of company has to expand overseas and to get the capital or exit too early. So I think our advantage will be kind of we take innovation from North America, Australia, and then commercialize in Asia market. So that's really give us the advantage.
Interesting. There's really so much growth to see in these regions. So, what about your advice for founders? We want to know because you have significant experience with IPOs and M&A activities. What advice would you give them about preparing for these exit pathways from day one?
Yeah, I think the number one advice I will give is, the just have the exit in mindset in the day one. I think that's critical important because investors need to invest or buy into your company with kind of like the exit option, clear exit pathway. So because usually it takes years before they actually can get the exit, and also for the exit. The mindset also help the founders develop their strategic growth pathway, and that alignment will benefit for the company development, capital raising, all different angles, and also about the governance as well. And the important is you have multiple exit options, not just IPOs are great, but for example, M&A, trade sale, a secondary sale are all kind of valuable to the investor and the founders.
That's a great advice for founders, actually. And how about the Australia's innovation ecosystem? So, with your global perspective, how do you see Australia's innovation ecosystem evolving compared to other markets you invest in?
Yeah, as I just mentioned in that question, so Australia has incredible, strong R&D, research, deep tech ecosystem. So for that part, they definitely take advantage from that. They have a lot of like advanced technology in Australia, but kind of struggling on getting the growth capital or the later stage capital to support the company for the growth. But I see in the last years the situation improved. More and more corporate-backed venture, more overseas, investment firm come to Australia, invest in technology, which definitely helpful. So we, very excited to continue backing the founders' vision, visionary founders in AI, clean tech, biotech, and to be SaaS areas.
Yeah, this must be a really exciting year for Australia, of course. And lastly, we want to know your experience here at Emergence. How's your experience here so far?
Yeah, I see. This is not my first time in Emergence. Actually, see Emergence how they develop in the last, 7, 8 years. I think this year really, kind of standing out, from the size, from the scale, from the, the audience, from the speakers. It's kind of represent, the current local ecosystem investment community. It's great events for see, from all different industry, capital, and also like ASX. To talk about their all different perspective, and to kind of share the knowledge, share the experience. I think that's very important. It's great event.
Awesome. And I think that's it. Thank you, Stephen, for joining us and for granting us this interview. And to all our viewers, thank you so much for tuning in. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next interviews.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.